Hey guys, this is our last unit for the biochemistry. We're going to be learning about pH. Please find this notes page and follow along. Make sure that you fill in all the blanks because you are going to use this information for a quiz later in the video. So today we're going to talk about what is pH. And in order to talk about what pH is, we need to identify what acids and bases are. Chemicals may be classified as either an acid or a base. Things that are neither acids or bases are neutral. And pH measures how acidic or basic a solution is. Some characteristics of acids are that they often taste sour, strong acids can burn your skin and eyes, strong acids can dissolve metals, and some examples of everyday acids are lemon juice, vinegar, and car battery acid, which is very dangerous. Some ways to classify bases is that they taste bitter, sweetish, or salty. Strong bases can burn your skin and eyes. Bases react more effectively with proteins than metals and are often used for cleaning. Bases may be slippery when wet. Some examples of bases are milk, baking soda, soap, and drain cleaner. If you are neither an acid or a base, the substance is considered neutral. An example of a neutral substance is pure water. Now this is not the water that comes out of your sink. This is filtered water that's made sure to have an exact pH of 7. We measure pH, or how acidic or basic a substance is, with pH. A high pH means it's more basic, so something closer to 14, and a low pH means it's more acidic, means it's closer to 1. When we look at the pH scale, it is used to measure how acidic or basic a substance is. pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral, which means it's neither an acid nor a base. Pure water has a pH of 7. Low pH is an acid, high pH is an base. The closer to the ends of the scale, the stronger the solution is. So the closer an acid is to 1, or the closer the base is to 14. Now we need to talk about how we measure pH. And we measure pH by using special strips of paper called pH paper or litmus paper. Many substances that are considered an acid have a pH value less than 7. And acids are going to turn red litmus paper red and blue litmus paper red. So both answers in your box for acid should read red. For a base, that means that you have a pH greater than 7. And your red litmus paper will turn blue, and your blue litmus paper will turn blue. So in the box labeled base, both should have blue. When we're dealing with a pH of 7, we know that red litmus paper will remain red, and blue litmus paper will remain blue. So if we see no color change on either red or blue litmus paper, we can identify that solution as neutral or having a pH of 7. Now that you've filled out the box, use the bottom line at the bottom of your paper to copy down the pH scale on this slide. You've completed your last note section for biochemistry. Please hold on and complete the next few quiz questions so that you can get credit for completing this unit.